Hi, I bought a baby bird, so I bought a cage to go along with it. And I'm gonna get it in a couple weeks. And I wanted to know if my cage setup was legit or not. So let's start off with like the top. I have the toy, the main perch that came with the cage. And then I bought this really nice, really thick perch because I'm getting a ring neck and they have big feet. And we already have a little one here and a toy. Wait a minute, let me get that. And then I got, let's see. Another toy and a little cuddle bone. And then this thing where they can do their nails on it. So cute. And you can also do it on this also, this little ladder, in case like he or she has problems getting up off the, up to the perch. I don't know. But let me know in the comments if I'm missing anything. Thanks a lot, guys.